Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Tech Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to edit YouTube Kids profile. To delete your YouTube Kids profile, first of all launch open the YouTube Kids application on your device and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner, solve a simple math problem or enter your parental passcode in order to open up the settings menu. Now, under My Kids, select the profile you would like to edit. Now enter your Google account's password on the next page to access your children's profile. After you do that, tap Next, and this will open up this Edit section for your profile. Tap the pencil button right next to the profile at the top, and then you can now update the following information such as name, age, profile picture, date of birth, etc. Once done editing the profile, tap on the tick mark at the top right, and that way you will be able to edit a profile on YouTube Kids. You can also go ahead and make other edits such as content recommendations, clearing history, unblock contents, etc. So that is how you can easily edit YouTube Kids profile on the YouTube Kids application using mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.